In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or deactivate a service in QuickBooks Online. Managing your QuickBooks effectively can save you a lot of time and ensure your financial records are accurate and up to date. So let's dive right in and explore how you can manage services, whether it's about removing or simply deactivating them. First off, let's start from the QuickBooks Online dashboard, your main headquarters for financial activities. To begin, you want to head towards the upper left corner of your screen where you'll find the prominently displayed plus new button. Clicking on this button will open a drop-down menu with several options, a convenient hub where you can add a variety of new transactions. For our task today, you will select Expense from this drop-down list. Once you've clicked on Expense, you'll be directed to a new screen where you can begin entering the details of your transaction. Here, you'll want to navigate to the bank/credit account field where you'll select the specific credit card account you plan to log the transaction into. It's essential to choose the correct account so that your records remain accurate and reflect the real-time status of your finances. Next, you need to fill in the Payee field. This is where you'll enter the name of the individual or the company to whom the expense was paid. Additionally, don't forget to include the payment date. You want to ensure that this details precisely matches when the payment was made. Accuracy here is key, especially if you're syncing data with bank statements. Once that's done, focus on the category field. Here you can assign the transaction to the correct expense account, which could be something like office supplies or travel, depending on what the expense was for. This categorization is vital for tracking where your money is going and helps significantly when generating expense reports later on. If there are any notable details about the transaction, make use of the description field. This is particularly helpful if you need to recall specifics about the transaction in the future. Following the description, jot down the actual amount of the expense accurately. There's also an option to mark an expense as billable to a customer. If this applies to your transaction, make sure to check the billable box, then select the relevant customer. This can be a handy feature for businesses that pass certain expenses on to their clients. When you're satisfied with all the entered information, you'll find two options to finalize and record your transaction at the bottom of the screen. Click Save to keep working on other transactions, or choose Save and Close if you're finished. Organizing your service data in QuickBooks Online helps keep your business's financial health in check, so practice going through these steps until you're comfortable. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more QuickBooks Online tips and tricks.